Hey everybody, me, the Report 45 again today we have not a Lego review, but we have a piece that makes helicopters, this piece, move. It's actually really cool, and it's on this ugly Coast Guard. This piece right here, it's actually a really cool piece. It makes it go like this by itself without you using your hand. It cost me like $10, but it works on light, so it's dark here. I'm going to move it to the light. See what this. See that? That's cool. All by itself. It's solar powered, so that's cool. And it's going kind of faster now. See that thing right there? I know the helicopter looks sucky, but I had to rebuild it. Lost some pieces, so there. It's a really nice piece. Bad part is that there's no connection for the wings, so we had to tape it. It's still pretty cool. So let's see. A review on the motor. It is a Lego piece. It does attached by a Lego piece. See that? It's connected to that. You can bust that in. It works. Actually pretty cool. For show, but that helicopter is not that good. So, this is a review. A lot coming up after this. And see you guys later. Bye!